Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to do roasted chicken rice. So first thing, for roasted chicken rice, we are going to butterfly the chicken. Correct, Kak?
Correct.
Okay, come Kakak, show us how to butterfly a chicken. Okay, Kakak is placing the chicken in the chopping board. She is now cutting the backbone of the chicken. Okay, she's using kitchen shears over here, kitchen scissors. Okay, the reason why we are butterflying the chicken is pretty simple. If you were to butterfly the chicken before roasting, the time taken to roast will be shorter. Usually just to roast a normal chicken, that means a full chicken without butterflying, will take about 40 to 60 minutes. By doing the butterflying method, it shortens the time by half. It's about 30 minutes. Okay. As you can see, Kakak has taken out the spine. Okay, we will be using the spine later for the soup. Okay, after cutting the spine, Kakak is going to place the chicken down a bit. Okay, she's going to press it down. Okay, and we are done. It's that easy. Okay, let's look at how we are going to marinate the chicken next. Let's look at the ingredients needed to marinate the chicken. Kakak, let's start.
This one, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
1 lemongrass.
Okay.
This one, lime leaf.
Lime leaf, I think handful cukup kan?
Yes, cukup. Small.
Okay.
This one, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder.
Okay.
This one, brown sugar, 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon, okay.
This one got fish sauce.
Fish sauce, okay.
2 tablespoon.
2 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of oyster sauce.
Okay, oyster sauce 1 tablespoon, okay.
2 tablespoon of light soya sauce.
Okay.
And then in about half teaspoon of white pepper.
Okay, so this one is up to them, right? Whether they want to put half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon, okay, right? Okay. Now we're going to prepare the marination. Kakak, let's start.
Okay.
Okay, so Kakak is first taking soya sauce, 2 tablespoons. Okay. Oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. Fish sauce, 2 tablespoons. Okay. About half teaspoon of pepper. Ginger garlic paste. Serai lemongrass. Lime leaves. Cumin powder. Guys, I'm sorry, it's not cumin powder. Sorry, Kak. I know I'm wrong. What powder is that, Kakak?
This one is coriander powder.
Yes, it's coriander powder. Sorry, yeah. Sorry, people. Sorry, people. Okay, then what else do we add?
Now, brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Okay.
Now, time to
mix it all together. Okay, mix all the marination together till the sugar is well mixed. Okay, for this marination, we are not adding in any salt because the fish sauce as well as the soya sauce and the oyster sauce, all of them have salt content. So we are not planning to add in any salt. Okay, I think the salt content in all the sauces is enough for the chicken. Okay, we're now going to pour the marination over the chicken. Okay, now the chicken is going to have a nice massage. Chicken pergi spa ke, Kak?
Yes.
Hari ni chicken pergi spa. So marination, massage. Massage friend, massage back, massage, massage, massage. Okay, so we will nicely massage the chicken with the marination. Okay, this marination minimum, you have to keep it for 4 hours. It would be ideal if you could keep it for overnight. It will taste better.
Correct.
So now what we're going to do is, after marinating the chicken, after massaging, giving it a very good massage, we'll put it in the fridge. Okay, we will show you tomorrow how to roast the chicken, how to do the rice, as well as the chili sauce. Right, Kak?
Alright.
If we are going to make a chicken stock, this chicken stock will be used for the chicken rice, which is the rice portion of it, as well as for the soup. Okay, for the chicken stock, it's quite simple. We put in about 1 liter of water. We have already put in 500 ml. Kaka, can you put in another 500 ml of water first?
Okay.
Okay, now we put in chicken bones. Okay, we got this chicken bone from, yesterday. We cut the chicken spine, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the chicken bones. Then we add in garlic, ginger, as well as some serai. Okay, now we need to let this all boil together. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes for it to all boil. Once it's boiled, we take out the impurities on top, and then the stock is ready to use. Now let's look at the ingredients needed to make the rice. Okay, we have 3 pandan leaf. How many garlics is that, Kaka?
3 garlic.
3 garlic, we have sliced it into 2. Then
3 of sliced
ginger, halia.
Yeah, halia.
Okay, this is the chicken stock we had made earlier. Okay, we are using about 4 cups of chicken stock because we will be using 2 cups of rice.
Yes.
Correct? Okay, and then we are going to put in some oil, which is about 1 teaspoon. The oil will give it a gloss to the rice. Okay, we prepare healthy living style, so we are using 2 cups of brown rice. Yes, I placed only 1 cup over here, but in reality we are going to be using 2 cups of brown rice. Salt to taste. We have washed 2 cups of brown rice. Now let's add in the ingredients. What are we going to add in, Ka?
Now, pandan leaf.
Okay.
Garlic.
Okay.
Ginger. Then there's water stock just now. We
Okay.
make it.
The chicken stock. Huh?
Yes. Then about 1 teaspoon of
Oil. Okay.
little bit of salt.
Okay. Okay. You're going to give it a stir, or we just put it in the rice cooker just like that? Okay. Just 1 stir.
Yes.
Then we're going to put it inside the rice, cook. Hey Sunil, you're going to taste our chicken rice made at home, right? Can you please give me the comments of how it looks?
The chicken looks very juicy.
Okay.
And the skin looks brown and golden.
Okay.
The kailan looks it looks quite good also.
Okay.
As what I expected.
Okay.
That's an A+.
Oh wow, we got an A+, Kaka. Wow.
The rice, don't bother about that.
Oh my god, he doesn't bother about the rice. Okay, why don't you have a taste of the rice and the chicken and let us know how it tastes?
But I haven't commented the soup yet.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry, I forgot about it. Okay, yes.
The soup looks very gold, almost like yellowish color.
Okay.
And and the spicy good old chili sauce or whatsoever, or chili whatever.
Okay, Ken. Okay, he's my food critic, guys. He needs to taste it well before I can let you all know how it tastes. Don't worry, he's very honest with his feedback.
The chicken is very juicy.
Okay.
And it tastes very like, and doesn't taste really like overcooked.
Okay.
And for the rice, I don't really like it.
Why?
Because I hate brown rice. That's the thing.
Okay. Okay, my boy hates brown rice lah, but we want to be health conscious and it's healthy, so we use brown rice. What about the chili sauce? Do you want to taste it and let us know how it tastes? It's a bit spicy for your liking. Okay, but we like spicy food, and together with the rice will it be good? Maybe you like to try it together with the rice?
Okay. That's the chili paste or whatsoever, this one. It tastes like belacan.
Belacan? No, we never ate belacan!
Just joking.
Okay, so do you think this chicken rice is good? How many marks will you give?
Wait first, I haven't even tasted the soup and vegetable.
Oh, okay.
Not bad for the vegetables, and I really like it.
Okay.
For the soup and vegetable, it tastes so good.
Okay, so how many marks would you give for everything?
For the chicken, I'll give it a A+.
Okay.
For the chili sauce, I'll give it about a B.
Okay, because he doesn't like it to be spicy. Okay.
No, because I don't like really the taste as well.
Okay, next.
For the vegetables, it's an A+ also.
Okay.
For brown rice, it could be an A. Sorry for the noise.
Yeah, sorry for the noise, guys. It's raining heavily over here.
And the soup here, it tastes so delicious that I think we'll love it.
Okay, thanks for your comments,
And
Sunil.
the soup is actually A+ even.
Okay, thanks for your comments, Sunil. Enjoy your meal.